Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are finally going to open my PR box of Boxycharm. So is this a good PR box? Am I going to like it? Because I mean, last month was kind of shitty. Well then, keep on watching. Alright, so spoiler alert. I unfortunately did already open this box because I did a little tutorial on my IG of this look right here, and I wanted to see if I could use any items in here, and I have some thoughts on this box. So, my dumbass self thought that I was going to get a base box this month of Boxycharm. Because for some reason, I was like, well, wait a minute, where's my base box? Where's my base box? I got charged for it, where is it? So then I literally start scouring my old YouTube videos going, okay, Boxy Lux, wait, where's my base box? And I literally watched all my old YouTube videos and I was like, oh shit, like, those are horrible. Then I reached out to Paige and I was like, wait a minute, Paige, do we still get a base box even though we pay for Lux box? She goes, no. And I was like, okay, so I've been sitting here waiting this entire time to film this PR box, not knowing that we're not getting a base box this month. Well, I'm not, because it's part of my Lux box. So I do apologize for taking so long to film this video, but your girl forgot. But as you guys already know, Boxycharms is a monthly subscription service where you can have 3 different tiers. You can have the $25 box a month, which is just their base box. So you get 5 to 6 full-size items with a retail value of over $125 or more. The Boxy Lux is every 3 months. It's going to be $50 a month, where you get like 7 to 8 full-size items with like a retail value of about like $175 or more. And then the Boxy Premium, it's a $35 additional charge every single month to get 5 to 6 or 6 to 7 full-size items of luxury items of a box retailing at over $300 or more. Now, obviously I'm a Boxycharm affiliate. I do get PR from Boxycharm, but that does not sway my opinion on Boxycharm whatsoever, because last month I really hated my PR box and I thought it sucked. And I was like, well, this is it, I'm getting kicked off the list, and I laughed about it, didn't even care. And then this one showed up. I was like, well, shit, I guess I didn't get kicked off. So we're going to go ahead and dive on into it. Now that I have all the free time in the world, I can finally respond back to every single comment. It's been a hot minute since I've been able to do that, but I finally have the capability to. It's really intimidating though. When I look at my videos and I see like 300 something comments, I'm like, 300 people like my stuff? It's a lot to get through, but I try my very best. So the first item that we got is this Spongel body wash infused buffer. This retails for $16. This is a unique body wash infused buffer. Changes instantly underwater as you squeeze from a sensual exfoliating massage texture to as soft as silk. All right, listen. I got this. I want to say, oh, by the way, black nails like my soul, because I can finally paint my nails black because Disney's closed. So woo, I can finally have black nails. I think they're just so pretty. I just keep staring at like okay, so I received this. I want to say, I know I got this before, either in an Ipsy, FabFitFun, or Boxy. I got this before. I don't like it. It says it's multi-use. Okay, so I still have mine sitting in the shower, but it just sits there because it's like, it says that it's soft, right? I don't find it to be soft. Ew, what smell is that? Oh, fresh French lavender. Oh. Okay, so it's not a horrible smell. There's not one that I would typically go for, but it sits there in my shower and I squeeze it under the water. It doesn't make my skin feel any softer. I feel like it's just like rubbing a sponge on you, like a sink sponge. And I try to get it soaked up as possible. Yes, does it lather me up? It does. It does its job. But it's just not something I would honestly gravitate to, because then it just sits there. And then in my mind, I'm like, oh my God, it's just sitting there open, just collecting all those like germs that just are in the air going into the sponge, like your soap sponge does. Like, that's just where my mindset goes. So I'm not the biggest fan of this. So I will be putting this into a giveaway box because I know for a fact I won't get any use out of it. The next product that came in the box is this Murad Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisturizer for the eyes. Okay, so this retails for $70. What? I put a $70 eye cream on me? fancy. Deeply quench the delicate eye area with this nourishing cream. A blend of hyaluronic acid and algae extract seals in moisture, helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and restores smoothness. So I did already open this up and try it out, and I think it's nice, but I didn't notice a difference. And I know it's going to take a while to notice a difference. Like, I'm not stupid when it comes to that. But I tried it out. It is a really cool looking packaging. I'm not going to lie. Like, when you open it up, like, it's nice and clear. Like, it looks so cool, right? Nice and clear. But when you actually open it up, it's a, like, little white product. Now, the best part about this is that it doesn't have a smell. Like, it literally does not have a smell. So I really did like that. And it was very soft to the touch. Like, I will take a little bit of it. Right here. Very, very, very soft to the touch. And I really, really enjoyed putting that on. My God, why do I do that in every video? That's so embarrassing. So it's very, very soft to the touch, and I put that under my eyes, and I really did enjoy the feel of it. So I'm definitely going to keep using this because apparently Boxycharm, Ipsy, FabFitFun, all these subscription boxes tells me that I'm old and likes to send me eye wrinkle cream for some reason. And I have so much now that I was finally able to give some to my mom. Like, I finally have a little box for her because I don't think I need this many eye creams. Like, I get that I'm 30. We're gonna have to keep telling me. The next product that came, I have not touched this one, is the Hank and Henry Living in Color palette. Now, I actually received this palette a couple months ago from Mikey. He sent it my way because he's amazing and he wanted me to try out this palette. I unfortunately have not played around with it, but I will go ahead and show you guys the color scheme. Now, the one that he actually sent to me is signed by Hank and Henry. I don't know how. I don't know how he managed that, but he did. So this is the eyeshadow palette right here. I do think that the eyeshadows themselves are so tiny compared to the actual product size. I think they could have put a lot more colors in here for the price of this, because this price is a $27 palette for 9 shadows. I think that's a little bit overpriced in my personal opinion. I feel like with all the space in between, they could have had a lot more shadows, and I definitely don't think they utilized it. But that's not Boxy's fault. I think that's Hank and Henry's fault. But when I saw this is in here, I was like, oh, this palette's been out for a while. I'm kind of surprised they put like an older palette in here. So I definitely did not get excited about that because I do own it. And even if I did own it, I would still not be the most excited about it personally. The next product that came in the box is a Kat Von D, KVD Vegan Beauty Signature Brow Precise Pencil. It is in the shade Blonde. I will not touch this. I do not like Kat Von D products, and I know this is no longer a Kat Von D brand. This is still hers. Literally, this is still hers. It literally still says Kat Von D right here on the packaging. I'm not a fan of Kat Von D. I've not been a fan of Kat Von D for a very, very long time. I do not own any of her products. Anytime I've gotten her products inside a box like this, I've always given it away. So I'll be doing the same thing with this one, as well as the Hank and Henry palette, because I'm not going to get it. I already have one, so I don't need it. But I saw this. I was like, why is this in here? Like, why do they have this? I think this is like the first time I saw Kat Von D beauty products in a Boxycharm box, but I saw this and was like, no. Kat Von D product does retail for $21, so pass. And then the last product that we got is going to be the Becca Cosmetics Glow Gloss in the color Champagne Cream. This does retail for $16. And this is how the bad boy looks. I am actually currently wearing it on my lips. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I really do like it. It does have a mint flavor, so there is a little bit of like a cooling sensation when you put it on your lips. But it's extremely comfortable. Like, extremely comfortable on the lips. I really, really do enjoy wearing this. And I'm sorry if my little lash keeps popping up right here. I need to get this to stay down. I think it's really, really comfortable on lips. So I'm really enjoying this product. I think out of all the products in this box, this is the only one that I'm genuinely excited about. And this is my P.O Box. So granted, I didn't pay for it, but I'm like, damn, my P.O Box sucked again. And that's what I want to know, like, what'd you get in the base box? I really want to know what I got in the base box. For anyone wondering what I'm wearing in my eyes, I actually am wearing the Hello Charmer from Boxycharm. I thought it was a great pick. I, for some reason, thought that this palette would be inside the base box. I guess it's not. I guess it was just a premium exclusive. But I really do like this palette, and I wish that they would have put this in every single box. I feel like that would have been so cool if this was in every single base box. Why it's not, I don't know. But I don't care if my Boxycharm PR box. I really, really don't. I know some people have this idea or this notion that Boxycharm, like people who are on the PR list, get the best boxes because it's PR. This is my second PR box, and again, I don't like it. I liked the ones I actually paid for better. I liked my Boxycharm, and I liked my Premium, like, because Premium was all Fenty, and Luxe was all the items that I thought was really cool, like the Hello Charmer palette, for example. So the ones that I actually paid for, I really like a lot more than my PR. My PR sucked ass. Yeah, I'll be putting the Kat Von D, the Living in Color, the Spongel right here inside the March giveaway. This will be at the end of the month. You guys know I like to do my No Waste Wednesday, so that'll be going in there as well. So yeah, guys, that is it for today's video. Please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys haven't already, because I do post 3 to 4. Well, now I'm going to post almost every day. I'm going to take a break in between some days because I don't want to, like, literally overwhelm you guys going, this bitch posts every single day. Like, I'm going to take a little bit, like 2 days off a week. But yeah, I do post every other day. I'll be posting a lot. I will be posting a lot. Also, make sure you guys head on over to our other channel. It is All for the Life. You guys can see my cool, wonderful, adventures, amazing fiance Corey. And as always, guys, I want to thank you guys for all your love and support. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye. Wet hair, don't care. Hey guys, what's up, and welcome back to my channel. Exploding massage. I have not been a cat fan. That is it for today's video. I really